What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. Plymouth Cuda 74 behind me here. We got some crazy things going on in the Mad Lab. So I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of a raw video today. So let's go show you what we're getting ourselves into. In the back of the truck here, just picked up some tires. For what? Well, if you follow the channel, we have a 1970 Plymouth Duster Drag car that we've been building up. I got the engine bay all sprayed up. So those wheels I just picked up are gonna be for the front of this car here so I can make it a roller again. We got the 440 big block all painted up, carburetor rebuilt. We got everything dialed in, so this is looking good. And the plan was to throw the 440 big block into the Plymouth Duster. Now, plans have changed. I have come across a new project, a new build that you guys are gonna love, and you're gonna have to stay tuned till this weekend to see if it pans out. But we've already shook hands, made a deal on the car, and it's a barn find. It's a Mopar. That's another clue. So stay tuned to see what the new project car in the Mad Lab is gonna be. Unfortunately, this is selling tomorrow. Guy's coming from 2 hours away with a trailer, and he's gonna be picking this up and I believe putting a 440 inside here. So it's kind of a shame. This was a kick-ass car. I haven't had it too long, and we've been building it out with full aluminum tub cage, and this thing is ready to hit the drag strip. All it needs is a motor, and I got the 33-inch M&H tires on the weld wheels back there. So this is gonna be going to somebody new, putting a 340 in it. Sad to see it leave, but I am beyond excited for this new build. As well, I haven't done a video on this yet, but check this out. We have a 1991 Harley Davidson Sportster. This is a 883 that was bored out with a big bore kit to a 1200 from the factory. It's a one owner bike, and this thing is done up to the nines. It's got 14 1/4 rear shocks. It's got Super Trap exhaust. It's chain driven because it's a 91. It's got S&S, you know, carburetor rebuild stuff in there, steering stabilizer. It's got Screaming Eagle fork brace, which is super rad. It's got some drag bars on it right now with the custom orange paint all the way around. It's pretty rad, man. This thing's also got rear mounted pegs, which I'm not a big fan of. I like the mid controls myself, but it comes with 2 seats. This is a Corbin as well as a Lepera leather seat it comes with. This bike was going to be one of our next builds. I was going to build it into like a flat tracker scrambler type bike, but I need some money. We're in the business of flipping, making some money. So the Harley Sportster 1200 is selling maybe tonight, and the Duster is selling tomorrow. So sorry guys if you really were excited about seeing this build complete, but that's just the way it is. You know, there's guys like talking Mopars that, you know, guys are saying he can never get anything done, but you know what? Keep following your passion. That guy wants a Superbird big wing car, so keep chasing that. If he's got to sell his Roadrunner and do what he's got to do to get it, then more power to him. So I know what my dream cars are, and you're gonna see one of them this weekend that I'm gonna be picking up, and that's why I'm selling this and the Harley in order to get my dream cars. So you do what you gotta do, flipping, throwing money down, making money, making deals. Woo-wee! it's pretty early in the morning. Just coming out to the Mad Lab here. Got the Duster all ready for the guy to come pick it up. It's roller now. It's rolling on all fours. Just picked up some of these steel wheels last night to throw on the front so the guy doesn't take my nice rally wheels that I got for my CUDA project. Sad to see this project go, kind of. It's a really clean car, really nice drag car. I was excited about putting the 440 in it, but you know what? When you come across something that you want even more, you gotta go for it. You gotta follow your gut feeling, and that's what I'm doing ultimately here. Say goodbye to the Plymouth Duster, because it is going to a new home. Empty shop. Just about to take off with the Duster. Yep, looking good. Take care, guys. She gone. Well, the Duster is sold. What's next? Stay tuned. But make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment below if you think I'm making the wrong decision for selling this thing behind me here. All right, guys, ciao, ciao.